Hi, this video tutorial is to demonstrate how to set up an agent link preset that is shown in the agent transfer interface so that when you select the agent direct in group from the closer drop-down menu, a blue agent link will appear. When you click on this link, you are able to see a list of agents logged in, their extension, and whether they are available to receive an incoming or transferred call. To set up this feature, go to the Manager portal. In the main menu, click Campaigns, Campaigns Main. Choose the campaign that you would like to set up this feature and click Modify. By default, the campaign settings open in the Detail tab. Go to the Allow Inbound and Blended field. Select Y from the drop-down menu and click on Save Changes. The page will refresh and the field Allow Inbound Groups will now appear towards the bottom of the Detail tab section. You will see that the Agent Direct Inbound group has been selected by default. If it has not been selected, make sure that you do click on this checkbox to select this in-group. This will allow agents to be able to receive calls from agents within the system. Below the Allowed Inbound Groups field is the Allow Closers field. Select Y from the drop-down menu to allow agents to send calls to closers. Click on Save Changes. Next, scroll down to the Transfer Options section. Go to the Allowed Transfer Group field and click on the Agent Direct Transfer Group field. This will allow agents to transfer calls to this in-group. Click on Save Changes. If you go back to the Transfer Options section, you will see that you have the option in the Default Transfer Group field to select Agent Direct, Single Agent Direct Queue, so that this in-group will automatically be selected when the agent goes to the transfer conference frame in the agent screen. This is ideal if you have several closer groups, but typically transfer from agent to agent using the Agent Direct in-group. Select this in-group and click on Save Changes. Besides enabling this feature in the campaign, you must also ensure that your agents are included in this in-group. To do this, go to Inbound, click on In-Groups, click on Show In-Groups, click on Modify by the Agent Direct in-group. Scroll to the bottom to the Agent Ranks for this Inbound Group section and click on the arrow to expand this section.